We begin. So I'm going to do the editing part, the logic of the editing part. So as you can see, last time we stopped at this point whereby we could come to a song, to my music and preview songs. Most, I hope you're following. Don't be like how we do for 8 classes. Just be there like you're following yet you're not following. I hope you're following for reality, for real. Okay?
Actually, I am.
So I'm going to show you can edit. So this is very important for all of you. So I just click on edit, and then you see last time we finished that we can pass a what? We created a file called admin edit song, and we give it just a song that you're going to edit, and we fetch that song from what? From database. Yeah, where is it? Admin edit. We had first fetch that song from database, and then we fill that song in this form. You remember how what we did? We fill the song name here. I'd show you how you can select and make something to be auto selected, so that the artist, for example, the artist which is already preset is already set as selected. I showed you that logic, and if you want to see, if you forgot, you can go and look at the previous video. That's simple logic. That's according to me. You can make also your own logic. Then I put the photos here because we already have the photo, and I put the music song here. So right now we're going to work on the updating logic. Okay, so I'm going to update the song and upload it to the same. This girl is not joining. 8 members. She had joined, then I tell her other members will join after a few minutes. Now she has decided not to join. Okay, so you saw how we did this, okay? Musa, I still remember, right? How I did this. You still remember, right?
Where are you pointing at, please?
I'm asking you, still remember how we filled this information here that we're going to edit?
Yeah.
Very good.
I can remember some.
Okay. So I'm going to upload to this same form. So I'll come and here to form action and change this one from upload to edit. You see, I'm uploading it to itself. Okay? Just try to be attentive. Okay? I'm uploading this song to what? To itself. Now look here carefully. Let me check if there is something that is being uploaded. How will I check? I can just pick any variable here and I check it from the what? From the post. So I can come here and say, for example, I can pick anything that is going to be uploaded in the form, for example, song name, and I check for its post. So I can just simply say if is set. See here, there is a problem that I want you to see. Post song name, right? So I know the information will come through what? Through post. And die. Okay, now you see the problem, members. Refresh. Okay, so update. Okay, let me say that I put here 2 full stops, 3 full stops, then update the song. Okay, can you see? We're having the song, yes. We're having the ID, yes. The photo. Okay, well, let's see what we are expecting first. We're expecting the what? The song name. The song, I mean the what? The artist ID. Yes, we're expecting it. Yes. This photo and MP3 file, of course, will come through what? Will come with inside the files. Okay, they'll come inside the files. Super global variable. So if I update like this, you see, these others, they'll come inside what? Files super global variable. You know that because they are files. Okay. So they're the thing that we're expecting. Okay, so these are, in case we had something, you see, the size is 0 and the error is not there. So in case error is 4, it means that there's no file that is being uploaded for the song. Okay, now you can see that the song name has come, the artist ID has come, but in this situation, can we know which particular song that we are editing? I'm asking a question, members. How can we know a specific song that we are editing here in the post? You see, because when I upload a song, it means that everything that came in the gate at first, they have got lost. Usna, what? You're not joining. I told you at 35 we are beginning. It's like, huh? What? That what? What? What are you saying? Option. Oh, Husnat is already there. Why didn't you tell me that you've joined already? Husnat? Husnata?
No.
Are you there?
Yeah.
When did you join?
Right now.
So I hope you're following. I hope you're understanding. If you don't understand, you have to ask. If you don't ask, it's your loss. Now, can you see the problem, members? Like, I don't have the ID. Do I have the ID here? The song ID? Yes or no?
No.
So how can I get it? Because when I upload this song or when I update it, it's like the form will refresh again, will upload again, right? So everything that came in the gate previously, they will even disappear. So that's another problem that you have to work with. Okay, so how do you do that? So me what I do, I don't know whether I've understood the problem. Hadi, did you get the problem that I'm trying to mean? Hadijat? Hadi?
She's replying you. She's saying yes.
But I cannot hear her.
Maybe it's her laptop. Right.
So far you can hear her.
You gonna hear me? Seriously?
Are you understanding?
Yes.
In your room there's too much noise. If you could get a more quiet place and concentrate, it would be better for just class time. So what I always do, like when I come here for the first time, I always get an input here, and I put there my ID, so that when I upload, that ID will go with the input. I mean that ID will go in the input. Then I'll know the song. Remember this ID when I come for the first time. I have this ID inside the inside the gate. So what I do, I get this ID and I create an input in this form, and I put that ID. So that when I upload, that ID will go with with the form, and I'll be able to do to know the ID. Musa, do you get the logic?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put within this form. I can just create here, for example, my input. Type, of course, can be in text, no problem. And then I give it a name, maybe song song ID. Now this now I can make. I don't want the user to do to change. I hope it's recording. Okay, so song ID. Now I don't want the user to tamper with my with my song ID, because this is my own as the programmer. So I'll have to give for example, read only, that it should not be changed. Okay, and then I give the value, right? And the value, remember, it is a song ID. I already collected here. Okay, so I can just simply put it here, PHP and I just put equal sign here. Hidden. So our input will be there, but it will be what? It will be hidden because the user does not care about this. He just cares about his song name, his artist, the artist, and then what? Other things. So that's what I do. So if you have to edit a student and you want, for example, to pass the ID like this, don't display the ID of student maybe, or if it's a product, don't display it, hide it, because the user does not care. Okay, so it is read only, but if you go in the source code of this one, even though it is hidden, you see I just add this attribute hidden. Okay, so if you go in the source code of no, let me just, in the source code, Ctrl U, right? Ctrl U, you'll find that that attribute is there. Let me just search hidden. Can you see this input is there, but is not visible to the what? To the user. But when you upload, then it will come. So I hope you've got the point. Let me put here some dots and then update the song. See, I have this information, and where do I feed this information? I get it from here. I get it from where? No. Okay, I get it from here. Okay, I get it from here. So now let us start doing the update logic. So the update logic, what shall you update? We shall not update, of course, everything. We shall update the song what? The song name. We shall update the what? The song ID. Then in case, now listen carefully. In case the user uploads a new photo, what shall we do? We shall delete the previous photo and upload this new photo and update the what? The new location for the photo. In case, or I can keep the same location, no problem. In case this user uploads a new song, we shall delete the previous song MP3 and then upload this new MP3 and then update the what? The location of MP3. I hope you get that point. In case they don't upload the photo, then we shall not do what? We shall not delete the what? The previous photo. I hope you get the point. So we begin with the photos because these photos are the one that we have to upload first, so that we should get their location, and we keep this location, the photo and the MP3 file, we keep this location inside the what? Inside the database. So let us begin by uploading just a photo. Let us change the photo, for example. Let me come here and change the photo of Memories. Okay. Hey, pass. I'm going to change the photo. I hope this thing is recording. Okay, it is recording. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me get this photo. Let me get this. I'll open my Canva very fast and go to my design directly, and then this has finished loading. Okay, I'll get this photo, copy the photo, and then I'll open my Canva, go to our what? To our thumbnail for a photo. Where is it? I cannot see it. It is here. And then very fast, I'll paste the what? The thumbnail. Move it around. Then you have that. I'll just download it without wasting time. So I'll download this new thumbnail. We are going to try to change the thumbnail first. Okay? So we get the thumbnail. After getting the thumbnail, let us get the what? The real song. Memories. Download. because the song for the first time it's not there. You see the song is not there. So this time I'm going to do what? To upload a song. This, I think they will have it. The song is there. Okay, so now let us upload. Let us upload both of them. So I'll begin by drag and drop and put here the what? The song photo, and then drag and drop and put here the song what? The song MP3. Okay, now let us update the song. Okay, so you can see the error is 0 and here the error is what? Is 0. So you can be able to do what? To update. Okay, so let us because we want to delete the previous song and the previous photo if they exist, then it means that we must again get the what? The information about this song. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this information. Of course we already have this, something like this one. Okay, we can get this song information here. So I'll have the song itself, and this song ID I can get it from the what? From the post. Remember, put it inside the post. Members, I hope you're following. Hope you're not using your mobile phones. If you're using your mobile phone, you're cheating your own self. This is your money. Okay, so let me dump this song. Okay, so I dump the post, I dump the what? The files, I dump the song, but this has to be on top of the song. So you see, I get the ID from the post, I get the song from the database, and then I first dump these, all of them with the song inclusive. So if I refresh, I'll have this information. Okay, so we begin with the logic of files, and then after the logic of files, then we shall come to the logic of what? Of database. Okay, so we begin. What do we begin with? We are beginning by checking if a file is okay, we are begin by checking if there is a new file that is being uploaded, a photo. Okay, so how do you do that? We already write this logic behind the what? Inside the upload, where the upload, where the upload, it is here, right? Admin upload song. Remember, we wrote this logic, so sometimes you don't need to repeat yourself. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this logic. Members, do you understand? I'm copying the previous logic that we wrote together, and I'm going to use the same logic. I just modify it. Okay, so I'm going just to paste it here. So I begin with the what? With the photo first. Okay, so it means that I'll need to first create this variable of photo and mp3. So I'll copy this logic, I don't want to repeat myself, and then I'll come here and do what? And paste it. I'm going to explain it properly again. Okay, so what do I begin with? See clearly here, I first create an empty string which is called song what? Song photo. Those who missed the previous class, see how how to upload a song and mp3. Now watch clearly here. After doing that, I create another file called what? Song mp3. So these two, I create them and I say they are nothing. Why? Because I don't want my program to cause errors. Then after, I check. How do you check that there is a file that's being uploaded? Oh, someone is sending me messages. Oh, it is a class group. Okay, how do you check that there is switch off my data connection? How do you check that there is a file which is being uploaded? You check if the file and the file name, and then in the error. You see, let me explain this. You see, this is the file dump, right? This is where we dump the file. So this is the file photo, the photo that we uploaded. Okay, we have the file photo that we uploaded and the what? The song that we uploaded. So this is what is an array. So I'll check if this error is set. Okay, so if this error is set, if there is a song that is being uploaded, or if there is a file inside there, that error must be equal to 0 if that file is ready for upload. But if it is not ready for uploading, for example, the file does not qualify, or for example, the file was not uploaded, or the user did not select a file, this error will be what? Will be not 0, will not be 0, it will be 1, 2, 3, something like that. So if you want to make sure that there is no error, you have to first check that the error under this is equal to 0. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Because I don't want to upload without checking first. Otherwise, if I upload without checking first, now what if a user does not upload the photo? Then my program will crash in the hands of a client. So I first check if there is uploading a file. Husnat, I hope you're following, right? Husnat, are you there?
Yeah.
You're there, right?
Yeah.
Sleep has not come now. You're still attentive. The battery is still 80%.
Yeah.
Eh? The battery is 80%. Okay, let me use it properly. So I first check if there is error which is set in this song photo, and I check if there is no error. So if I check there is no error, then I'll do the logic of uploading a what? A photo. Okay? So I upload I get the file target, the direction, I create a photo what? A photo name. After creating the photo name here, I already explained this, and then I do what? I remove the empty spaces in case there is empty space, and then I encode this URL in case it is having some shomusha, maybe some thing that can mess up with our URL link. I encode it. After encoding it, I do what? I get the source. Which source is getting from this source? We get it from here, the temporary here. So you see here, I use the file name and the what? The source name, the temporary name. Then after, I create the destination. The destination is the folder that I'm going to upload to, and the what? And this new name. Okay, this new name that I just created, that will not look like another name, so that it should not replace others. Okay, I remove these things that too much. Okay, so after doing that, I move. You see, I move. Now you see members here clearly. I do what? I upload the what? The file. So let me put here die, and I put success upload, and I'm going to put here another die of fail to, okay, fail to do what? To upload. I just die. Do you understand here, members? How did you understand?
When you said yeah.
You understand? Okay, very good. If you understand, that is good. So if I refresh here, then I should either see, so it's success what? Success upload. So if we come to our uploads, HMusic uploads, then you see that where's the file though? You see the file is here. It has uploaded what? Successfully. Now you see, members, I will change the song photo only when there is a what? There is a successful what? There is successful upload. Otherwise, if there is no successful upload, I will do what? I will not change the what? The song photo. And if I don't want to change the location of the song's photo, remember this location of the song's photo is where? Is inside this song that we've done what? That we have uploaded. So for the first logic, since the song photo we do not have it, so I was equating it to 0, to nothing. But right now we already have the song photo link. Remember, it is editing, so the song is already existing. The photo of this song is already existing. So instead of setting it to nothing, I'll set it to the current one, and I will only change it if I have successfully uploaded it. Do you get the point? It's just like, let me first dump this song here. Get the point here, members. Let me first Hadi. Hadijat. Hadi. Am I the only one who don't hear Hadi? Okay, Fatmat.
She's replying, yes.
I cannot hear
I'm saying
her.
now.
You can hear her?
No, I also couldn't hear her, but because I'm in the same room with her.
Nam.
Hadi.
Ah?
You reply without even unmuting your microphone. So you see here, I'm asking you. Where does this information come from? Huh?
You are getting the song ID from the post.
I mean, this information of that is going to be in the song. It's coming.
It's from the function.
Which function? Where does the function getting this information from? From the what? From the database, because this song is already what? Is already existing, okay? So here I'm doing what?
You are printing the song.
The song information. And here I stop the what? The program.
You die.
Okay? Now you see, if I come and refresh here, can you see? I have the what? The song information. But this song, this song already have a what? Already have a photo. Okay? So instead of making this photo nothing, I'm going to put this current what? Current location of a what? Of a photo. Okay?
Yes.
So how are we going to get that? Can you tell me? So I'm going to say,
Can I tell you now?
wait, I'm asking you. So how will I get the song photo? Tell me what I should write.
But you get it from where? The post or the session?
I want to store this. I mean, where is where is the song photo? It is here, right? I want to store this in this variable. So what should I write?
$sign.
$sign.
Post. Yo. That's what we need to do. Underscore. Yes, post.
That is wrong, my friend. You see, I've just dumped the song here, and you're talking about the post. Is the post having the song photo really, Hadi?
No.
You just see, I've just dumped the song, and I'm just telling you I want to get this, and you're telling me about the post. Is that answer correct?
Get it from the get function.
So why are you talking about the post?
Sorry.
The variable is here that I'm dumping, and you think that's why I get this information from the database, so that I should know the existing information about the database. And you tell me about the post. Be in class, please.
From the get function, sorry.
So what should I write?
Get.
Why get? Stop guessing.
I'm not guessing.
Okay, why get? Why should I write get?
This one is from the post. Now you want to get the photo. You're gonna start it from the session now. How can you?
Well, I've not talked about the session. What am I dumping here, Hadi?
The song.
And this song is a what? Is a variable, right? And the song that is having all the information about the song, right? So how are these things connected to the get, the post, and the session? How?
I don't know.
Now tell me what to write, because the variable is inside here. And I've dumped the variable, and this is the information in the variable. So what should I write?
I don't know now. I don't know.
So I've dumped the what? The song, right? See here. I've dumped the what? The song, okay? You get? Why did I get this information from the database? Because I wanted to know the current information about the song, okay? Hadi, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
So I get all the information from the song. We wrote this function together. Then I have the song information here, okay? So I dump it. So it means that everything that appears on the screen is inside here. But for you just memorize post get. Understand. I've dumped this one. Then it means that if I want anything that it appear here, I just write the variable that I've dumped, which is song. And this song is just the information from the database. So if I want to specify the song photo here, they tell you it is a what? It is array. Okay? So how do you get the information from the array? By putting what?
Fetch action.
The square what?
Sun photo.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm online. 11:30. Yeah. Okay? So I have the song photo. So it means that this variable, this information, we have just picked this. Okay?
Yes.
So they are not connected. Don't memorize, please. They are not connected to the session. They are not connected to the post. They are not connected to the gate.
Okay, sir.
So here I have the song photo. Now, if, for example, if I remove this one, will there anything appearing on the screen? If I remove that, I will get the song photo that I've just copied previously. So you see.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, did you understand that?
I get it, yes.
Good. So I've done that one. I can do the same. Okay, you can go and mute your microphone, no problem. I can do the same for what? For the song MP3. I think here the song MP3 is just song MP3. Okay, so let me try to see if it is okay before I proceed. So song MP3 is also there. Okay, so after getting these two, what else? Now I have to proceed with my what? With my logic. So I come, members. I hope you're understanding what I say. I will help. I'll help you. That's not you understanding.
No.
Why you don't
What is
understand?
it? You know this target, $sign target. What is inside of that?
This one.
Is the file?
This one.
Yeah.
This is just a folder. It's a folder where I want to do what? To store our songs. You see, I'm using it here. I'm using it to create a destination. I can even remove it. It's just a name of a variable. I just keep there the folder where I'll store there my what? My song. So you see, Husnata. So this one, combination of this one and a combination of a song name, they will form a what? The destination where the song should be stored. You see how I create a song photo? A song photo. I create some time. This is time variable. I create some random numbers. These are random numbers, right? I get from the files. These are files that I've just uploaded. I get the name of the photo that's being uploaded. Okay. So why do I do this? I don't want this one to replace another file which could be having the same name. Okay. So I come and combine the target with the what? With the name. So these two, I combine them to form the destination where this song should go.
Before that combination, what is this function?
This one. Get this.
No.
Which one?
This song photo is this function.
On which line?
Yeah.
Line number what?
28, 29.
28 and 9. Here. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. This one, eh?
Yeah.
STR replace. STR replace this one. It replace all the empty space. So I make sure that my song does not have a space inside between. Remember, it's going to be a link, right? This will be a link of a photo. If it's a photo, it will be a link of a photo. If it is a song, it will be a link of a song, okay? So, can a link have a space?
No.
So I'm replacing all the space with underscore, and I put there the name. This one is what I'm replacing. So this is what we do. If you want to replace something, you use str replace. You can read about that. Then this one, str URL encode. I remove some dangerous variable that can destroy my what? My function. My link. For example, if I'm having percentage, if I'm having percentage, if I'm having and, remember and can break your link, because if I'm having equal sign can break your link, because those things are used inside the what? Inside the URL encoding, the GET encoding. So I remove all those in case they are there. So
Okay.
I encode it and then I update the what? The song. So these two will make sure that the link or the name of the photo or the name of the song or the link of the photo is not having a problem. That's what I mean.
Okay.
You now understand?
Yeah.
Very good. So I hope you all understand. So here I get the source, which is from the temporary. It was a nice question. I get the destination, which is the combination of a folder that I'm going to upload to, and the combination of a what? Of a photo. So I already have these things here. Okay. So it means that let me remove this song photo here. Let me remove. Okay. So it means that this song photo, I've put here my junk things. Now, in case you see the song photo right now, it has changed to this one. So in case there is a successful upload, then I'll leave it to this new name. In case the upload fails, I'll again copy the song what? The song photo. The one that was on the database, you see? The one that was on the database is the one that I'll do what? I'll put back. It's just like in case something fails, then I better remain with the what? With the previous one. Otherwise, if it did not fail, then I'll have updated the new song location. Fatima, you get the point?
Yes.
Very good. So here now, one more thing that I have to explain. Now, in case there is successful upload, what should we do? We should delete the previous song what? Song photo. Do you understand that? Because we don't want to have two song photos. Do you get my point, members? Kusnara, do you get the point?
Yeah.
In case, okay, we could have deleted it here before, like we deleted the previous song here. But in case it failed to upload while we have already deleted, that's a loss. So I'll just do all the logic until I make sure that it has uploaded successful. Then I delete the previous song photo because the new one has been what? Has been uploaded successful. Do you get my point?
Yeah.
Very good. So how do you delete? You still remember? Osnata, do you still remember the name of a function that deletes a file? Huh?
No?
What's the name
I
of?
think it's only
Oh, I was asking Osnata.
I know.
You knew it. We use what? We use unlink. Very good. Thank you, Fatmat. So I'll just check if file what? File exists. So which file? Of course, it is the what? The target, which is the uploads. I can as well just put the word target uploads. Target dot what? Dot the song. Remember dot what? Dot the file that we have in the name of a file, the previous file, the old file, the old photo. And this old photo is the one which is the one inside this song that we got from the database. You remember, right? This one. Don't upload and again delete the new photo. I want to delete the what? The old photo. So members, I hope you can relate these things to your projects. And I recommend you don't copy and paste my code. Please. It's just good for you. Try to write your own code. Get the idea from my code. Or you can even come up with a new idea as long as you know what you want to do. I've teach you how to upload a file. I've teach you how to delete a file. I've teach you how to save the file name on database. I've teach you how to generate a file name that should not look like the other. I've teach you how to prepare a link. Now you already have these ideas that you did not have before. Then why should you again copy my code? Challenge yourself and use your own logic and come up with your own code. That's the best way of doing things. Otherwise, when you finish here, you'll be given different projects. Now they are not related to my code, and you've been used to yourself. You make yourself get used of just copying someone's code and modify. Now how what you do then? So please challenge yourself and create your own code. I hope you get my point. So here I'm just checking if the file exists. So here, if it exists, what do? I have to unlink. Let me first just check if it exists or not. I'll not just unlink, but I'll just say exists, and then here else I'll say does not. Okay, so here I just check, okay, before I delete. So I've not saved. Exist. Okay, so after checking that exists, then I have to do what? To unlink, right? I have to delete the old photo. So I have to delete the old photo using what? Using unlink. And what do I unlink? I unlink the photo that I just checked for. Here I'm deleting the new photo, and this new photo I've created its name here. Okay, so now let me explain here this logic. I first check. First of all, I get the song photo with the one on database. I get the one on the song mp3 with the one on on database. After, I check if there is a file that is being uploaded. Otherwise, if there is a file that is not being uploaded, there is no file that is being uploaded, I will not do what? I will not do the logic of uploading. So the song name will remain the same, and the song photo will remain the same. How did you get that? Adijat? First unmute.
Yes.
For you talk before you unmute. Okay, you're genius, I know. So Hadi, you see, here I first get those one on database. Hadi, just keep your microphone open. I want to talk to you. So here we understand each other. So I check here for what? If this file error, okay?
Error.
I check if the error is 0. Then if the error is 0, I know that there is really uploading process. Okay?
Yeah.
Here I'm doing what? I'm getting the what? The upload folder, right? Okay? Hadi, are you following?
Yes.
Here I create the what? The song?
The song photo time.
The name of the photo, right?
The time.
No, I just use time to just create some seconds, and every time second changes, so that this file should never look like the other before.
Okay. Understood.
And then here, what am I doing?
You are string replace.
In case there is any space, I should remove it, right?
Mm.
And here,
You are encoding the
URL. In case there is any dangerous character that can damage my URL, it should be changed to its what? To its code, right? Then here,
temporal. It will hold the files temporal. The source file.
The source file, the file that we're uploading, right?
Mm.
And then this one,
What the photo, the temporal, the destination,
which is the combination of
the target and the song.
and the song. And then what am I doing here? I'm trying to
The upload.
the real upload business. but I put it in the if. If it fail, what do I do? I
You delete.
no, if it fail, I maintain the song name from the database.
And the song.
You understand? Do you understand this?
Yeah.
In case it
Yeah.
failed, then I say, hey, don't change this song photo, just maintain, because this one has failed to do what? To upload. You understand?
Yep.
So if it successfully upload, then what do? I have to delete the
Delete.
previous
One.
one.
Okay.
And this one is inside the original song that we got from the database. And then I do what? I delete it. So it means that if I delete it, then we shall have updated this name, this song photo name. If it fails, then I'll leave it like this. I hope you understand, Hadi.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. So if Hadi can understand, then it means that everyone does understand.
Hello, Hadi.
Correct.
Sorry, Farah.
Yes, man.
Now,
Please, do mind he just only show her the folder. Show her the folder where the assignment should be submitted only. Amina.
who? Amina come here. She says you don't even see the assignment now.
Just show her in the Google Classroom. She cannot in fact see, locate out where the assignment is. Just show her the.
Yeah, she show me the phone, but inside her phone, there is no assignment. Like the assignment, Sabi and Neko.
Okay. So here we have done the logic of what? Of updating the what? The song photo. Fatmat, I hope you've seen that, right? Fatu, are you following?
Yes.
Why are you laughing? Are you really in class?
Yes, I'm in class. It's because the way
The what?
the way Musa interrupted the class with Hadi, and then you come and say, yeah, okay.
Yeah, you're busy in your stories, I doubt.
Seriously, that's what I'm laughing at. Seriously.
Hope so.
Seriously, ask Hadi.
Yeah, she told me that. She said the way Musa interrupted, and you just sit there looking at yourself.
Yeah, because I was just listening Chinese.
Hope you have start recording again, because I think you.
Yeah, I've started recording. If you mess up with the recording, you mess up with your own time.
Sorry.
So let's resume the business, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, let's resume the business. So the business of uploading the what? The song MP3, it will be exactly the same. Exactly the same, only that what will change is the what? Is the variable, because it is also what? It is also a file. MP3 is also a what? Is also a file. So I'm just going to use this same logic. I'll just simply let me just use the same logic. I'll copy this beginning from here up to here. MP3 is also a file. Don't confuse the two. MP3 is a file, and a song is also a file. So let us do the MP3 logic. Okay, so I'll just come here and paste. Okay, so we're going to do one by one. Okay, so what's the name of MP3? I think this one is song MP3. I hope so. I hope that's the one that we have in our form. You see, the one you have in our form is song MP3. Likewise here I put song MP3. So we're going to do just step by step, but a little bit faster. Okay. The song MP3 name, we have already got it from what? From database. So we proceed. That one's Shesh. So here we check if there's no error in uploading the song MP3. Okay. After we get the target, all of them they're going to in the same direction. So here, instead of putting song photo, I'll change it to what? To song MP3. I hope you're getting. If you, in case you're lost, just please be free to what? To ask. Then I get the what? The song photo. I mean the song MP3. I change this one to song MP3. Song MP3, song MP3. It's just the same logic, because both of them are what? Are files. The source will remain the source, but here it should be what? MP3. So I have to be careful. I put song MP3. Destination, but here should be what? Destination of song MP3. The concatenation of this and this. Okay? So I upload the what now? The song MP3, and then I check if this file exists, and this one will be what? MP3, song MP3. Okay? So if it exists, I delete the what? The song mp3. If it does not exist, I maintain the song mp3 and the song mp3. Okay, so let us test and see if this song has been what? Has been uploaded successfully. How will I test? I can simply test by just echoing the original mp3 and the what? And the new mp3. How do I do that? I just simply say echo, this is the original mp3. From where? From the database. Okay, so I'll do that, and then I can add a new line. Then I do what? I echo the new mp3, which is this one. So I'll just change this one to this, and then I die here. So let us test and see if they are the same. Then we shall know the song was not uploaded. If they are not, if they are different, then we shall know the song has been uploaded successfully. So come and refresh. You see, they are now different. In fact, this one, the time when we did a mistake and our database was having a short what? A short number of characters, so we couldn't even have the extension. But we still have a problem. Is this what the extension of a song? MP3, not what? PNG. So there's a problem, I think. Let us see. You see here, this is a song photo, not so you're uploading a photo 2 times. So you have to be careful. Do you see the problem? So refresh. You see, this is a new song with the extension of mp3, but this is the old song which did not work without extension. So it means that our song has been what? Has been uploaded successfully. Do you see the places where we could be having spaces? We have replaced them with underscore. Husnata?
No.
No. Do you see this space? This song? It was having a space here, right? But we have replaced it with what? With underscore. That's the meaning of the question that you asked before here. Okay?
Okay.
So right now we are now ready to upload these things on what? I mean to update the information on what? On our database. And unless there is a question. Is there any question so far? There is no question, right? Fatumata, you have a question?
Not yet.
Not yet. Good. So now Musa, no question? Musa might have gone to eat. Musa.
Man, yes, I'm hearing. I'm also having hadith is just trying to push his sickness to me.
You're having hadith sickness. You talk before you unmute. So you understand Musa, right?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
So after uploading these files and the rest, then we can do what? We can write now our SQL for updating now the what? Our database. So how shall I write the SQL? Shall I write the SQL? It's raining. Hey, this could be a good time for sleeping. Oh, I'm writing the SQL for updating, right? So it will be update. I can just get the idea from here, from this SQL. Update songs, okay? So I can just come and copy this first and just get the idea. I can just come and copy this and modify this, okay? Yeah. This one is the original SQL that I was having. Okay, let us update this. Let us just modify from this one. No. It may confuse you. So I'll just write the new SQL. The new SQL of update, it will be SQL is equal to update what? This thing is disturbing. Update what? Songs, right? It is recording. Okay, so it will be what? Update what? Update songs. Then set is in here. Fatima, do you understand? Fatima, did you get the point?
Yes.
Very good. If you understand, that is good. Now let us do what? Let's execute this SQL. Now I will not. I'm just going to echo here success. Just like I always tell you, don't redirect before you do what? You confirm success. Hey, Musa.
Yes, man.
This is a good time for what? Sleeping. It's a good time for sleep.
You mean what?
I said it's a good time for sleeping. So here it's success. Here it's not success. Okay? So you see how I do. I always first check before I do what? Before I conclude. So let's go check. Refresh. Syntax error unexpected 71. So you guys, you find someone is redirecting even before they check. So 71, line 71, there's some error. Oh, I forgot put equal sign. Put equal sign. Refresh. Line 71 again. Did I save though? I did not save. Come refresh. Success. Okay, so I mean the information has been what? Has been successfully uploaded. So I can say new, so I can say the message has what? Song was updated successfully. Song was updated. So Husnata, with your shop, I should be able to update a product detail, change the product photo, change the product name. Fatumata, with your bookshop, I should be able to change the what? The book details.
But it's very hard for a book detail to be changed.
So that's not my.
It's rare. It does not happen.
It's very hard. No,
It's rare.
So you will not put it in your system.
I will try and put it there, but it's not.
Just say
in
I'm
real
gonna
life.
do it, not say I will try. Huh?
In real life, it does not happen.
Really?
Like changing, the auto can does never change. The auto can never change.
They do change. They do change the information, right? The biography, giving a review, changing the photo name. When there's edition, they can change a new edition. You see, they do change sometimes. But just you should relate it to your own. If you don't want, you can. But no, you should. Okay, something went wrong while updating song. So everyone, according to what they do, you should implement this logic. If you don't, then you're cheating it yourself. You're cheating your own money. In case you get any problem, try. I'm always there to help you. It's what you pay for, in fact. So here, everything is clean. Now I can do what? I can go ahead and redirect the whole business of updating. Can go ahead and redirect. Okay, can go ahead and redirect admin what? Admin songs. You'll download this file and look at it again. I'm going to put in what? In the Google Drive with a video. So download and look at it again. You know, we are studying many, but it depends as per individual how much you value these things and how much you concentrate on them. If you don't concentrate on them so much, those who concentrate on them so much, they'll do what? They'll understand more. So I played my part. So download this file and look at these things again. Try to mimic. You can even make something out of your project and see if you can do the same thing, which is not related even to your what? To your project. It's really important. So here I'm good to go. After setting my messages, then I can do what? I can redirect. So we are studying many, but understanding is by individual. song was done what? Was updated successfully. So you can see this song were updated successfully. Let me delete. There are a lot of songs now. Delete. Oh my god. Shit. You know what? Astaghfirullah. You know what?
No recording, no recording.
You delete it. Ah.
No. Oh my god. Shit.
Sorry man, take heart.
No. Yeah. You know what? I forgot to put a condition on update. So when I update all the song and they become the same ID. When I delete, everything is deleted.
Take heart, sorry.
What the heck? All the songs and their photos. Shit. Ah.
Undo it.
I have no way to undo, my friend. So remember, as you see, next time you have to be careful. In fact, that's what I wanted to tell you. I didn't know. Okay, this I did not it by intention. To be sincere, you must put where, otherwise you'll delete the marks of all students. And you're making a school project and delete the marks of all students, and you'll tell me what you'll tell the administration. You have to put the what, the where, and specify the song what, song ID. Oh my god. You have to put the condition of a song that you update, you lose it for good.
Really?
Yeah. So remember we had the song ID. It is here. Shit. Okay, no problem. Just put the what? Musa, never do this mistake, okay? When you're deleting, you have to be careful. When you're updating, you have to be careful. If you don't put the where, everything will do what? Will take the same information.
Alright, baby.
It's your baby. All the things. Oh my god. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, so let us go to my account. Let us go to my music. Let us delete these remaining things that are not meaningful. Okay, let us upload one song. Okay, let us upload 2 songs and do what? And edit them. Okay, let's add new song. So I'll add a song name. Joanna. Okay, let me put Toyagale by Eddie Kenzo. I'll select a photo. Do I have a photo? Toyagale. I already have these photos, but okay, I can come. Okay, I think these photos, some of them are still here. Yeah, some of them are still here because we uploaded multiple of them. So I'll come here and get this song photo. This one. It's a hard way of learning thing. First delete something and then. So I'll just come and drag and drop it here. We have a song photo there. What else? The song name, the song itself. Okay, I think it is here. So let me upload the song. It is there. Okay, so Toyagale by Eddie Kenzo, and this one down. So add new song. New song was uploaded successfully. Okay, let us try to view the song. We can play even the what? The song. Okay, so the song is there. Okay, let us do the what? The edit. So I've made the system. Now that you see, I'm testing now my system. Toyagale, let me change this one by putting double A. You see, I put Toyagale or Toyagale double A. So the artist, I'll keep him Eddie Kenzo. Let me change the photo of Toyagale. I put the photo of Eddie Kenzo himself. And we're just testing and see if it can change. So I'll get the photo, put there, and then update a song. Then you can see. Did the photo change? No. I think yes. So that's how we do what? That's how you see it was updated successfully. So I come to H Music, you see the new song has been there and updated. And then if you click on Eddie Kenzo, we shall have all the songs of Eddie Kenzo here, and I can be able to do what, to play his music. Okay, so any question so far? Any question, members? Fatuma, do you have a question?
Not yet.
Okay, if there's no question, I'll give you a break of 5 minutes, and then we'll come for our last 30 minutes, and we get introduced to jQuery.
Seriously?
But you took 30 minutes for yourself. Didn't you use these 30 minutes for eating? You did, right? So I give you a break of 5 minutes. At exactly 11, you have to join again, and we get introduced to jQuery. Okay?
We have.
Have we finished PHP? We have finished PHP.
No.
Why are we jumping like?
I am the driver. So
Thank you.
at exactly 11 members, we join again. Go and reply your messages for your boys. Hello, Musa. Musa.
Yes, what?
Go chill, man. You have 5 minutes. You can go and chill.
Break, 5 minutes.
Yeah. So you are not there.
Oh, I just entered right now. You see, light was off and my network was also.
Musa, get serious. I have to pause the video.